How to prompt Sora to create realistic videos. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Sora.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, prompting Sora to create realistic videos is an art of precision plus imagination. So, in order to prompt Sora to create realistic videos, the first trick is to be clear of the scene. Describe what's happening as if you are directing a film. For example, I will type in a young woman walking through a sunlit city street, cars passing by, people talking in the background. So as you can see, my prompt here is very clear of the imagination and the picture or the video that I want. Also make sure to use terms like slow pan, zoom in, steady cam, drone shot, etc., as this helps Sora to pick the real perspective. Also, make sure to say things like natural golden hour light, harsh fluorescent lighting, evening shadows stretching. You can also add realism with mood, such as fog rolling in, light rain hitting the pavement, dust particles floating in sunlight. You can also give the prompt a human touch, such as real people doing real things, like a barista steaming milk in a quiet cafe or a child chasing bubbles in a park. Also make sure to use reference phrases such as shot in 4K, like a documentary, or photorealistic or cinematic realism. Also, from the bottom toolbar, make sure you have selected the video option in the type option. Also, if you want, you can change the aspect ratio, the resolution, the duration, and the variation of the video. Finally, tap on the send button, and with this, wait for the video to process. The processing time might vary depending on the resolution, the duration, and your prompt. So once the video is ready, as you can see, my video is created too based on the prompt that I entered. So this is how you can prompt Sora to create realistic videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.